Hello students. So today's topic is chemical properties of haloarenes, aromatic compounds. So the chemical properties, the first chemical property is nucleophilic substitution reactions, and these are very specific reactions for haloarenes, and the reaction is by substitution by hydroxy group and substitution by cyano group and substitution by amino group. And the next is that is similar to that of haloalkanes, reactions with active metals like sodium and the magnesium, it forms Grignard, and lithium organometallic and copper powder. The next is a simple reduction method of haloarenes, and the last is the most important chemical property of haloarene, that is ring substitution or electrophilic substitution reactions. So in electrophilic substitution reaction there are 5 reactions. One is halogenation, second is nitration, and third is sulfonation, and fourth is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and the final is acylation. So these are very important reactions, and these are known as electrophilic substitution reactions. So now the first nucleophilic substitution reaction is replacement by hydroxy group. So in this, when haloarene is treated with NaOH, that is any haloarene means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, when it is treated with NaOH. So this is a specific reaction, and it is carried in 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. So first it forms sodium phenoxide, unstable, because in this it forms instead of directly forming, because generally we observe that NaBr is replaces and OH is attached, but in aromatic compound HBr is out from this and ONa is attached on the ring, O negative and Na positive, and this is very important compound. This is known as sodium and phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, the name of the compound is sodium phenoxide, and when it is acidified with dilute HCl and H ions, and then it is converted into phenol, OH. So keep in mind this, directly haloarenes are not converted into OH. First it forms an reaction intermediate, we can say, or it is a stable compound, O sodium phenoxide, then it forms phenol. So now the next is, second is replacement by cyano group, means that is the formation of cyanide on the ring, and that is known as cyanobenzene. So when bromobenzene is treated with CuCN, so it replaces CuBr and Cn is attached on the ring, and it forms cyanobenzene or benzonitrile. So this compound is cyanobenzene or benzonitrile, and this reaction is carried in the presence of pyridine as a base and 475 Kelvin. So here in this reaction the compound formed cyanobenzene is very useful, and it converts to different functional group. These are the reactions. Cn, when cyanobenzene is treated with concentrated HCl and partial hydrolysis, HOH stands for hydrolysis, and if single hydrolysis is taking place then it gives amide CONH2. ये amide फॉर्म कर देगा, and इसको हम कहते हैं partial hydrolysis. And the second reaction is when cyanide is react with dilute HCl. Here it is concentrated, here it is dilute, and twice HOH. Twice HOH stands for complete hydrolysis. So complete hydrolysis of this compound gives acid. So this is known as complete hydrolysis, means this reaction is taking place in 2 steps. First proceed with the partial hydrolysis, then one more time H ions are introduced in this and it is converted into, this is amide, this is acid, and the next reaction is reduction in the presence of LiAlH4. So reduction, and here I written 4H. 4H stands for 4 hydrogen is introduced in the ring, and this Cn is converted into, because it is Cn, so 2 hydrogen out of 4, 2 hydrogen are attached on carbon, C becomes CH2 and N become NH2. So this is the reduction reaction. In this amines are formed, and this is a name reaction, Mendius reaction, and this is a reduction reaction. So this is the reduction of cyanobenzene to amine. So this is all about these three reactions. One is the formation of amide, amine, and acid and amine, AAA formation. So now the next and the last nucleophilic substitution reaction is replacement by amino group, that is the formation of aromatic amine, and common name is aniline. So when haloarine bromobenzene is treated with ammonia NH3 in the presence of Cu2O, and the condition for the reaction is 475 Kelvin and 60 atmospheric pressure, it forms an aromatic amine, and this aromatic amine is known as aniline. Benzene amine is commonly known as aniline. With the elimination of these byproducts Cu2Br2 and H2O, and if we use Cl, then it gives Cu2Cl2. So this is all about the all nucleophilic substitution reactions. Thank you.